There you go, that is the new stablemate. I hope you can hear me because I'm on the Hero 5 Black and not my session because it's run out of battery. So I hope you can hear me. But yeah, that is the new bike, Ducati Panigale V4. It's the first super bike that I've owned, so I'm really excited to sort of learn how to ride better on it and really get all I can out of it. I've ridden 899s, 1299Ss, been on track days and lease bikes, but this is the first one that actually belongs to me, so I'm really excited. I'll do a ride review soon. There's plenty on the internet in the meantime, but it is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's really comfortable and it's really beautiful. So today I'm going to take these things off because they are pretty rubbish. You can't really see much, and also they're very fragile. They're designed to snap off so they don't do fairing damage, but that means as soon as you brush them even just a little bit, they get a bit wobbly like that, and they're not great. So far I've got the EvoTech adjustable levers, which are great, and I've also got a little tank pad there which you can see, and I've also got the EvoTech tail tidy as well, because the stock one came to about there which was ridiculous, so that one looks a lot better. And then plans are to get the carbon fiber piece underneath there, and then potentially do something with the front fender, and then also a custom wrap job for the app that I'm about to develop. So I'll get crack on with the install. Okay, so now I'm going to do the unboxing of the New Rage Cycles mirror block off integrated turn signals for the Panigale V4. So this is the box it comes in, pretty straightforward, and when you open it up it is literally these two pieces in the foam, which is all it needs to be, which is not an issue. They look okay, they look great. Finish isn't too bad. There's obviously, they're handmade, there's a little bit of sort of overrun here on some of the fabric that, you know, maybe for this kind of a bike and the people that are buying it, I would have maybe trimmed those off, so I'll do that myself. Otherwise, you can see the integrated turn signal here, and they've got a nice you know, it just does what it says on the tin, really. It's just a blanking plate. It's nothing too crazy. The Rizoma ones from Ducati are obviously silver here, and they're really nice and machined, but I would like to have the integrated turn signal, and they've got some soft padding as well, which I'm hoping isn't going to scratch the bike too much. And then of course you've got the connectors here for the stock OEM indicators. So let's get the mirrors off and see how they work. So pretty easy to remove these, really. You've just got two Allen bolts underneath that you can just take out with your Allen key, and yeah, just a few twists and this just pops straight off. This is the integrated indicator cable that basically pops through the little holes here. I'll just show you that. Pops through the little holes there, and yeah, then it just feeds through underneath to that little cable there, which you just need to unplug, and that's all you need. So I won't bother taking both of them off because it's going to be the same process. I'll fit the blocker and we'll go from there. Right, I've just placed it there for the minute. Just going to do a quick check that they work. Don't want to fit it all in without it. Yep, that works fine. Brilliant. Right, let's tighten them up. And there you have it. Really easy to fit. Takes only a few minutes. You can see it's a much more flush racing look for the bike, which is what it was intended to do. And yeah, really easy. The backing plate just goes on underneath. So this plate here, that just fits in with those two bolts from the stock holes, with new bolts for these blocking plates, and the wire just sits behind that. Looks completely original. So yeah, really easy install. So New Rage, thank you very much. They look good. And there you have it, as it was intended. It looks so good. I'm really happy with them. Super easy to fit. I'll put the tools that you need in the description below. Just a socket and an Allen and you'll be absolutely fine. They look great, and yeah, I can highly recommend them. Other things I've done is I've put the stand extender as well from Desmoworld, because that stand can be a little bit annoying to get up and down, as a lot of Panigale owners know. And yeah, other than that, that's about it so far. So thanks for watching.